Good morning. Woo! Nice colors this morning. Got some sunshine coming up over there. It's freezing cold, but we've got some coffee rolling. It'll be ready soon enough. Oh yeah. Yeah, Megs doesn't like my tent anymore because the zipper is broken and will no longer zip. So if anybody knows the way to fix that, please let me know. I've tried everything, but I haven't had Google out here, so it's not like I can Google how to fix zippers. But yeah, maybe I have to take it back to REI, be like, yo, I've had this tent for like a decade, can you fix it for me? We'll see. Beautiful forest with very large trees. These ones are all kind of small, but we've seen some large ones. Still no sign of Bigfoot, the big guy. I want to go on a Bigfoot adventure one of these days, looking for him. Say hi, introduce myself, But yeah, an awesome morning. Yeah. Must be old Pamela Lake. Kind of looks like a Pamela.
I think so.
Beautiful morning. Nice and cold. Like I said, we can feel some wintry weather coming in. Certainly colder this morning than it was yesterday morning. But the sun is shining and the skies are blue. Ooh, that wind is chilly. Nice little lake. Still a beautiful sunny day. Nice and chilly. That's how we like it. Crazy wind today. Yeah, we're not technically allowed to camp up here though. We need a special use permit just for this area. Huh? Rangers, if they come up here. A nice little pond. I consider this more of a pond than a lake. They have. But yeah, probably not. I doubt they enforce it this time of the year. Wow, what a beautiful spot. I love Oregon.
Oregon is beautiful.
It's quite beautiful.
Recording?
I just started right now. Oh, these beautiful lakes down there. We decided that we're going to move to Oregon.
Yeah.
Megan hasn't agreed to it yet, but
I like my Texas.
Quick hair update. Pretty crazy stuff. Hold on. Have it sideways. There we go. That's better. Dude, look how long my hair's gotten since the beginning of the trail. Wild. I love it. Look, it's an airplane way up there. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. It's probably them flying into Portland. Man, nice and windy, beautiful views. What a day, what a day. Quite the beautiful lunch spot, wouldn't you say, Megs?
Look at that beautiful lake down there.
That's quite nice. And over here, you see a mushroom cloud where they nuke Portland. Just kidding. Was that just a forest fire? Some kind. Man, what a beautiful view.
It does look pretty crazy.
Now this is pretty crazy. Old lava field maybe? I don't know. Certainly seems kind of out of place here. It's all this gravel stuff. I'm curious about the geologic beginnings of this spot. How fascinating. Huh, look at that very jagged cliff over there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess these are gotta be like, I don't know, it's pretty crazy. These super large flat areas of gravel. This is quite the beautiful lake. Ignore that bird screeching in the background if you can hear that. Kind of obnoxious. Probably. Man, Oregon is beautiful. Absolutely love it.
Rockpile Lake is what it's called.
Rockpile Lake. Huh. Beautiful. Another lake. Wasco Lake, you said?
Wasco Lake.
You want to stay here tonight or do you want to keep going?
I would like to stay here just because of my foot.
That means you have to wake up early tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay.
This is a beautiful lake. A nice spot to spend the evening. Already got some food rolling.